The testimony. Comment me rencontrer madame?
How I met my wife.
Pendant ma prêcher,
I was preaching.
the first time
Première fois.
I seen her.
Mwen.
Devant.
She was sitting in the front. And I'm preaching.
The Holy Spirit said, "This is your wife."
Ça c'est madame.
Et pendant le chita,
and while she was sitting,
the Holy Spirit said, "This is your husband."
Il dit, ça c'est mari.
Femme de Dieu
There's a woman of God that called me.
Une femme de Dieu t'a suivi qui t'a fait 21 jours de jeûne.
She was doing 21 days, but she was watching the service to prepare for husbands that are coming. And she was fasting 21 days for this, while she was in front of me to prepare for marriage. And meanwhile I'm preaching, I see her.
And the Holy Spirit said,
"This is your wife." Ça c'est madame.
And
after I was done preaching,
what is your name? He said, "My name is Sherika."
He said, "Are you married?"
He said, no.
He said no. She said no.